to another episode of Vlogmas. My name is Ruth. If you're new to this channel, hi. If you're returning, thank you so much for coming back to yet another video. So today is Wednesday. Today's Wednesday. I am going to Game City because our internet is down. And Game City has, these benches where I can sit, where the internet is quite strong, So I'm gonna go to Game City. I'm going to upload my video. I finished editing. It's been raining, so yesterday was raining like heavily, thunderstorms, so the internet, I guess, got disrupted somehow. They need to come and change the router, imagine. So I don't know what time they're gonna come. They said probably today, probably, because a lot of people are having issues with their internet, so the technicians are running around town, I guess, today. So yeah, I just thought, you know what, happy I had to delete like my YouTube downloads, Netflix downloads. So you can imagine, if the internet is down, that means I cannot watch my favorite YouTubers. I cannot watch a movie on Netflix because I deleted. To get it. So yeah, I'm going to Game City, going to upload my vlog. I already edited it, have a thumbnail, etc. So I'm just gonna do that. It used to take me about 15 minutes to upload a vlog. So yeah, I hope I managed today. Otherwise, you guys are gonna kill me for a very late vlog, because usually get uploaded like overnight. So I finished editing the vlog yesterday. I was gonna upload it overnight, but internet started acting up. So yeah, I didn't have space in my phone to save the video. That's why I had to delete, the downloads. My face is breaking out. I hope it's not the serum that I bought, Gobiska Hyper. I only used it twice, obviously, because I'm starting out. I skipped some days, so I really hope it's not it, but I don't think so. Also, my hair is starting to look crusty, but I felt like it's too early to plait for Christmas. I want to plait kabodi at least 15, 16 or one. There was so much for Christmas. That's like 2 weeks before Christmas, at least. Yeah, a week and a half. That's better. Because if I do my hair now, by Christmas, I'm gonna be looking crusty, and I don't want that for myself. So yeah, I also want to go to a Loviso event, which is this Sunday. Miguel does not have a ticket. I really love Loviso, you guys. I love him so much. I love him. I really hope I can find a ticket. My friend is already going. We take a ticket the other one, but yeah. Anyways, let's go to Game City. I thought I should incorporate what I eat in a day in this vlog. So this morning I had muesli. I'm still full. Okay, if I put it out there, I'm still full. So probably when I get back from the mall, I'm gonna have a cappuccino. It was my brother's birthday, killing 2 days back. Yeah, so I still have my other slice of cake. So what we do is we buy a cake, obviously, and then we cut it into pieces, okay? And then everybody can have like two pieces of cake, 2 slices of cake. So I already ate one. I have one more left, so I'm gonna have that with my cappuccino when I get back. And then we usually don't cook lunch, malapeng. We only have breakfast, and then we're gonna cook dinner, supper. So might just cook today so that I can vlog. I don't know, I'll think about it. But yeah, my mom is craving stir fry. Yeah, she told me this morning, so I don't know if I will make that if I cook. I don't know, I haven't decided, but yeah, we're gonna do that. Yeah, we're gonna do that. My brother is shy, that's why I did not vlog on his birthday. Very shy, does not have pictures, doesn't have videos. He just doesn't want any of that. He sees the camera, he's like, ooh. Yeah, so that's why you guys don't even know what he looks like, but it's okay. Let's go to Game City, guys.
I guess you're back. Are you gonna tell me where you went? All the messages I sent with no reply. It's like that. You're just gonna walk into my room. I hate how you assume I'll take the pleasure and the pain.
Hey guys, today is a Sunday. I'm from church. So I'm with my cousin who is just dropping me off with my baby cousin. We are meeting my mom and Riley, more senators. From here, I'm going to the Loiso event, baby. I haven't been to an event in...
How to look at your girl, guys.
Yes, thank you. I'm gonna just set my face. I'm gonna make up more coloring what's in so yeah, guys, I haven't been to an event in years. I think it's been 5 years, bruh, like
what
probably
are
5 years. How do you agree this? So I am going to this event because I love Loiso like that, and everybody around me knows I love Loiso. So my friend got me a ticket. On a ticket to midnight because so midnight. I get a message was sent at midnight. My girl sent me what? Night tickets. Baby girl. So yeah, and then a couple of my other friends gave me cash because I didn't get it, but I wanted to go. So yeah, I'm basically a charity case at this event, but I'm going and I'm gonna be looking beautiful, as you can see. So yeah, let's go have something to eat, more senators, and then go to the event. Bye, guys.
You know what it is.
To the rhythm of your drifting far away from me. Speed, let all the curtains fall down. Speed, speed. I would rather you just break my heart than leave me hanging on the edge of what was. Speed. Don't think you need me anymore. Don't think you're mine before God. I love you till my heart runs out of you. And I hope you do that too. Is it because I cried till I fell? I could see my no. I am
So today's a Thursday. I'm actually just running out quickly. One, this vlog, we're just gonna go for a Secret Santa late lunch-ish. Yeah, with the girls this coming Saturday. But I'm just gonna get the gift today. The person I'm buying for shares asked that I get some things for her. The what you call it, nail stuff, Go Planet nails. So because I do nails as well, I need some supplies. So I thought, you know what, let me just do it in one day. So I'm gonna get her stuff, I'm gonna get my stuff too, and then I already got a gift wrap. I'm gonna wrap that with you guys. Probably ask for a small box because so yeah, we're going to do that. And then I'm also gonna pass by Game City, but I'll take you guys with. So let's go. Hi. Oh, we're also gonna do Riley's hair. We got her some braids. I want to show you guys the braids when we yes. Woo, it's gonna rain. Bye.
Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. See no one else, let me like you do. That's why I don't mind to spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on.
Hi guys, I totally had to mute this part because I thought let me just add a voice over. So this is a totally different day and a different mood altogether. But Palesa is my friend from primary school, very close friend actually. We barely talk, but she's a very close friend of mine. We went to a funeral of a former classmate who we also went to junior school with. So Palesa just wanted to say something on my channel. I didn't know how to edit this part, so I thought, you know what, a voiceover might be best. So here we go.
Hello guys, my name is Palesa. This is my friend, my dear friend. Hey, we've been friends since primary school, and we just got back from our girls' funeral. Mausa Moronga Warona. We absolutely love you. We absolutely love you so much. Ah, the brother you got name kwa na similar. But it's not some memory because you do vlog editor. Okay, fine. Like I'm saying, it's a very somber day for us, but we chose to celebrate a very beautiful life, a life that was filled with so much love and joy that brought the best in all of us. And we just want to say, Mausa, we love you and appreciate you. Rest in peace, my girl. We are here for mommy. We are here for your family. And God is good all the time, and we will not question God. You had to leave for a reason.
Amen.
Thank you.
Guys, this girl used to bully us.
Come on, I'm not a bully.
She bullied the whole class.
You know,
The entire class.
hey man, these people were trying to shit with me and shit like that. And my girl, Mausa was like, you know what, these girls, they don't like you. It's fine. Life goes on. You're not money. You can't be liked by everyone.
Palesa,
You can. You can. People who make it in life, they take on tackles alone. You can fight your battles.
That's bad advice. That's bad advice.
No, but like seriously, don't. I don't condone. I've never bullied, but I don't condone bullying, and I need you to understand that you need to be a good person. You need to relate well with other people. You need to love. You need to respect. So they called me out. If it wasn't for them, I probably would be something else today.
No, that's true actually.
Yes.
Kalami, you would listen. You were very stubborn, but I think after time, you just sit down on your own.
It's a maturity.
And say, you know what? I actually was wrong.
It's a maturity thing. Thank you so much.
Hi guys, welcome to another day in the vlog. Today is a Sunday and it's the day we are having our Secret Santa lunch. Bakang and I just arrived at Grandpa. That's where we're meeting. I think all the other ladies are here. We are honestly late. I had a client who came in very late and Bakang was knocking off from work. So we're here now. let's get in. I'm wearing a dress, a very short dress. My mom arhaka. So because she said that comment, now I feel that way. So I'm going to borrow Bakan's shirt and just put it on top. But it doesn't match my outfit, you get it? But just because she said that, now I feel like hakabar.
You're sweating.
And I'm sweating so much. Can I say I never used to sweat? Like I was never this person.
Quarter to 30.
Anyway, let's go. Quarter to 30 was summer. I can't.
Unlock.
You see, I actually can't believe my age. Like the other day, I was just thinking, I'm like,
Guys.
me? No. Sweetie, I'm 21. Something is not right.
Turn me inside out, make my heart beat. Need no one else, you're all I need. Personality, everything you do makes me love everything about you. Your smile.
I'm hoping everybody got what they wanted. Most of them passed that part. Why did you get the gift? Okay, I got the gift because she's showing the video. She just did. I need to
Exactly.
No, I'm not going to open my place, but that place, that's the ones I said I wanted.
Beautiful. Nice.
Your style is so fly.
In fact, yeah, I've already done so. I think I honored her request because she wanted to go for a I couldn't really like it. Some of the things that she really wanted to wrote, yeah. Tell what I just meant to do that in December. So, really?
Thanks, my dear.
For you. You guys are gonna show us. I'm not what she wanted. I guess one of the things I
Boo, lacho me no.
okay, don't open the color. It's too cute. It's too cute. Look at it. I can feel the side later. But I can't hear it.
Yeah.
Hi, Key.
Are you cutting me that sala? Oh, what I want to catch it.
I honestly don't know what it is, so she'll have to open it.
Can't deny, I got a crush on you, and that's true, dear. And I'm digging you, make me believe that your love is mine. Oh yeah, and on. You give me a really good feeling. Oh yeah, all day long. Your love, goes on and on. Give me a feeling all day long. I'll give you anything you want from me. Anything you want, anything you need, anything you so desire. Ooh, I'll give you anything you want from me. Anything you want, anything you need, anything you so desire. Anything comes. Your love is a wine and a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long.
So, it's 8:30 p.m. and we are still at Grand Palm. We were actually leaving, but turns out Madame locked her car keys inside the car, so our help just got here. They're trying to sort it out. We're still with the so the other girls left. We were actually gonna go to oh sorry. We were gonna go to what was it again? No, the other place. We were gonna meet at Ayoba with the other girls, but Koloi, so we're stuck here. So we just decided, you know what, let's just go back in and just order drinks and sit. So yeah. How beautiful is this view? Hey guys, I am back home. I just got home. As you guys may have seen, we had a little car issue, so Adrizi came to pick me up at home, and yeah, obviously I left with her to Grand Palm, and then after Grand Palm, when all the formalities were done, we decided we're gonna go to, I forgot the place, but it's in CBD next to Black. We decided we're gonna go there. But we just figured Bakang has a car problem. So we just stood there with her, called her cousin, who was obviously watching the World Cup, but was not able to say from the start. So we just sat there waiting, honestly. That's a lot of makeup, actually. Wow. That's crazy, because I didn't think I would have that much. But yeah, we were just waiting for the cousin to come. Kante Mugai is still watching the game, which is okay. He just should have communicated. But it's okay, honestly. He ended up coming with his friend to assist. We managed, but we just went back to get some drinks and stuff. Because honestly, well, I'm always feeling cold, so my eyes are itchy, guys. I have this allergy thing. I don't know what's going on. My eyes are always itching. My eyes, my nose, and my mouth somewhere is always itching. I'm going to try to edit. I'm actually running behind on Vlogmas. Right. I have so much footage, but the editing is a problem because during the day I'm obviously attending to clients. It's December, pretty much everybody wants to get their nails done, so I'm busy with that. And then at night, obviously I'm tired. I still have to be a mom in the midst of all that. I wanted to do my hair so bad this December, but as you can see, I played when I had the chance to do my hair. I felt like it was too early to get my hair done for Christmas. But yeah, now I regret not getting my hair done earlier. But we'll see during the course of the week. I am home. I'm struggling to breathe. I'm having a congested nose. I think you guys can tell. I'm just going to wash my face and then apply my moisturizer. I think tomorrow I should just do, actually I should buy some things for the gift. But I already told me what my gift is, but I'm going to open it tomorrow with you guys. But I need to get some stuff to be able to use it, so I think I should do that. And then yeah, that probably should be in my next clips for this vlog. Yeah, just you know, skincare, some me time, self-love, etc. I think I should do that. So yeah, it's just sometime during this vlog we will go to Clicks or Discam to stock up on some stuff, and then yeah, I think I will unbox it with you guys tomorrow because it's so wrapped nicely and I wanted good lighting to be able to unbox it. I hope you guys understand. I hope the ladies understand, because everybody was unboxing theirs and I'm like, I can't. Hi guys. It's another day in the vlog. Today is today's a Tuesday. My hair is done. My cousin did my hair. I look so cute. I did some knotless braids and I used color 30. I think it's color 30. Yeah, I think 33 is the much brown one. So yeah, Riley also did her hair. I think you've already seen that. Today we're just running errands. Honestly, I was supposed to start this vlog way earlier in the day, but Redulema Lapeng were in a rush. We went to pay for the levy yakoloi. We managed, and then I was delivering shoes to a client or a customer, and then the kids were just running errands with the kids because honestly no one. So now we're just by KFC getting something to eat, and then we're gonna pick up my mom. They went out to buy Stockville food. So obviously that's a lot, and yeah, she needed manpower, and that's my cousin and I. So we just thought, since it's a little local being, I think around 1ish. Yeah, right now it's about 5 minutes to 5. The kids are hungry, so we're just getting something to eat, and then they'll stay in the car when we load stuff. So I thought, let me just continue vlogging for you guys. Yeah, that's it. The lighting is so bad.
Tell me what you see in me. Gotta be something different. You must be made for me. Patience is everything. In and out, in and out, in and out. Arguing, trifling, difficult, baby, more.
So my partner and I took the kids out to try sushi for the very first time, and we went to Touchdown.
Which one should I say?
Are you ready?
I don't know. Okay, are you sure you know how to use those? I don't know if I know how to use chopsticks.
Inside, you like it?
Yeah, oh, so exciting.
Okay, now let's see for me.
I think the one is
You can take the pink thing and the green thing and put it on top.
What is that?
I don't know what they are, but I always see people doing that.
pink baby.
Can I taste this?
Yeah.
Who's green baby?
Gosh.
Oh my
Using chopsticks in real life is more harder than in imagination.
Oh, there you go.
Finally.
Stop. Woo.
Come back.
Chew. I thought you took a big.
You don't like it? Okay, taste the other one. Okay. No?
Not even a little bit.
Okay, taste the other
A
one.
little bit what?
I'm praying.
Come on.
Oh, what did I say? Oh, woo! Sorry. How is it? Is that nice?
I don't know why you love me.
thoma ga lo phutsa o ska ngata go to phatalla magilana mata ga isuku ke ba ga no mo shota
Guys, no.
magina shota
I don't so clear that I can have this, baby. Nobody else is true. Nobody else made this move. Nobody else had a clue what I could do, what I could do. The right amount of love, right amount of trust, right amount of dick.
made desserts. Yeah.
I don't wanna slap me up, think that I'm going to fit. Right amount of play, right amount of talking to me. Oh, yeah.
Terrorize a woman.
Aha.
Deputize a man.
Aha.
Yes. Hey, when a woman thinks she feels like heaven.
Feel it in my heart, feel it in my soul, feel it in my body. My body feels that you do know. But never fall out of love with you. I don't wanna fight, I don't wanna fuss, baby, I'm trusting you. I'm trusting you. Fighting on my mind, fighting on my life.